Welcome. Here's a quick version of the battery removal for the 70mm m800 dual channel screenless dashcam. First I put isopropylene on the sticker side, as I suspect there are screws underneath it. As it turned out, there are two Phillips head screws, they're quite small. The case has no other external screws to remove. I pried open the case using plastic tools to prevent damaging the casing. 70mm have made a pretty sturdy case. This is how you can access the battery for a replacement if you need to. Originally I was told it was a capacitor dashcam, so I was also curious to see if it was.
There we go. Alright, this way. Didn't expect it to be as easy as this. Good. There we are. Oh, look what's in front of me.
The plug that is from the battery can't be pulled out without damaging the unit. The entire unit needs to be removed, but it only uses 4 screws.
Okay. The length of that. It's 2. And looking. See the very. I'll try a screwdriver. Yeah. Not magnetic, but it doesn't matter. Alright, I'll get that screwdriver and let's see if we can grab it out. That's one. It's nice to see the same. Okay, now let's see now. Yep, it is moving. See, it's moved. A bit more in there. This is the first time I've removed it. So to pull the battery cable out, yeah, if you had pulled on it, because this is the front of the camera, remember, if you had pulled on these leads, you would have just, it's socket housing. So you need to remove the battery, probably be best, and it'll be stuck with a bit of double-sided tape. Maybe just lift that out. And now we can come around here.
So it is pretty straightforward to remove the wires from the battery. The battery wires go through a wire holder, so that interlocks them slightly, and then you need to pull the plug straight up. You can't pull it out through the side that you see when you first open the container. And just reverse the process to put a new battery back in. Thanks for watching.